Smart Home AI Controller Edge makes you stay happy. Everyone wants to live in a good environment. To achieve this, people use many indoor environmental devices such as air conditioners, ventilators, humidifiers, air purifiers, and so on, in living spaces like homes, offices, schools. We have to maintain various indoor environmental factors within appropriate levels in a constant manner. However, it is very difficult to realize perfect healthy indoor environment in real time due to changing outdoor conditions and varying occupants' behaviors.
For example, think about when you cook in a kitchen. Fine dust and carbon dioxide levels will increase, and we will have to start a ventilator to lower the indoor air pollution level.
However, there are too many things to consider, from when and how long the air should be ventilated, depending on the level of outdoor air quality, including the fine dust, chemical pollutants, temperature and humidity, and many more. Edge is an AI smart home controller, providing a customized healthy indoor environment. Edge evaluates indoor air quality and detects occupants' activities, then executes an integrated AI control algorithms. Therefore, it provides a healthy environment in real time and can even save energy. If Edge decides that there are people inside, it will start the indoor environment devices and provide a customized healthy environment. When there is no one inside, it will stop operating the devices like air conditioners, lighting to save energy. Edge shows great device compatibilities with any indoor environmental devices that uses a remote controller. Also, Edge can create a healthy and comfort environment ahead of your arrival at home. Edge uses Wi-Fi, thus there is no additional charge for networking. With the spread of COVID-19, interest in preventing infection and creating a healthy environment have risen. Also, the development of IoT technology is innovatively improving the quality of life. In this fast-evolving smart home era, anyone can conveniently manage a healthy indoor environment using Edge. SpaceMind makes you stay happy with Edge.